गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय भगवत्पादाय नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदाय कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्याय गौरकिसे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते राधाकान्त भद्राञ्जन गौरङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी भगवान् देवी श्री कृष्ण जय चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे महाराज के चरण कमलों में आनंद और शासन का करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात एवं समस्त विष्णु के चरण कमलों में मेरा विहार पर दंडवत प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Today is very auspicious Pious Day. So we were hearing Narsingh Dev Katha. So how Narsingh Bhagwan, for their Vatsalya Bhav, he saved Prahlad.
कृष्ण की कहानी कृष्ण में क्या है? पहले का है भगवान रामचंद्र ने प्रजावत्सल.
So in the Bhagwan Ramchand has Praja Vatsalya. And Narsingh Dev saying Bhakta Vatsalya. So he have the Vatsalya Bhav of their bhaktas or their devotees. And Krishna is saying so he always saved their devotees by the Prem Madhurya.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु के कहा जाता है
And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called
प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम
Prema Purushottam.
प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Prema Purushottam is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
सभी भक्तों से जो है प्रेम लेकर के जो है
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu provided prema to everybody.
लीला पुरुषोत्तम
Krishna is Leela Purushottam. Krishna is called Leela Purushottam.
लीला आदियों के
Beautiful, sweet pastimes. By the sweet pastimes, so
आनंद
they give the pleasure of their parikars.
आनंद बढ़ाते इसलिए कहा जाता है
That's why it is saying
कृष्ण के कहा जाता है
Leela Purushottam. That's why Krishna is called Leela Purushottam.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु कहा जाता है
Prem Purushottam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Prem Purushottam.
रामचंद्र की
And Ramchandra is called Maryada Purushottam.
नृसिंहदेव भगवान
And Narsingadev Bhagwan is called
इसी कड़ी में देखा है ऐसे भक्त वात्सल्य की वैशिष्ट है
So he has the speciality of Bhakta Vatsalya.
नृसिंहदेव की एक विशेष वैशिष्ट
This is the speciality of Narsingadeva.
अपने प्रिय भक्त के प्रति कैसे कृपा दिखाते
So how he did mercy upon their dearest Bhakta. And he saved that.
इसलिए हमारे नृसिंहदेव की कथा श्रवण करने की कथा श्रवण करने से
So after hearing the Narsingh Dev Katha,
बाधा भी अपने
so all the unauspiciousness and the hardships will be removed from the Bhakta's life.
एक प्रहलाद महाराज भी बढ़ गया
And Narsingh Dev gave the benediction to Prahlad Maharaj. It is mentioned in the Narsingh Puran.
जब प्रहलाद महाराज कहने लगे
So Prahlad Maharaj said himself, "Hey Prabhu,
आप मुझे ऐसी कृपा करें
please have me some mercy upon like that.
पाप भोगने के लिए हैं? मुझे नरक में भेज
So please send me into the hell for suffering all kinds of past sins for all the jivas in this world.
आते हैं जी नरक से
And please
भाग रहे
Please be free of all the jivas who are in the nark."
इस कथा को सुन करके नृसिंहदेव के हृदय में
So hearing this katha or this prayer, Narsingh Dev heart was melted. So Narsingh Dev said, "Hey Prahlad, I am giving you a promise. I promise you, today is my Avirbhav Tithi.
इस आविर्भाव तिथि में
On this Avirbhav Tithi,
जो मेरे कथा को जो श्रवण कीर्तन करेंगे
who will hear my katha,
वो संसार से
who will hear my glories,
मेरा परम धाम
so they will be free from this material bondage and will get the abode of mine."
इसलिए आज के दिन को ये प्रहलाद जिसमें कथा श्रवण करें
That's why if today's we hear the Prahlad Narsingh Katha, so all the hardships and will be removed. The disease, death and births and all kinds of material things. And at last
भगवान विष्णु ने की धाम जो है बिल्कुल धाम था
we will get the abode of Bhagwan Narsingh Deva Bhagwan. So Bhagwan Narsingh Dev himself promised.
इसलिए आज के दिन क्या करना
That's why we should
प्रहलाद विष्णु की कथा श्रवण
we should hear the Prahlad Narsingh Dev
और
Katha.
कुछ कथा श्रवण करना नहीं
No, nothing else. We should hear. Always hear Narsingh.
प्रहलाद की कथा
Today we should hear Narsingh Prahlad Dev Katha.
श्रीवास जी के जीवन वृत्तांत में संत श्रीवास जी
In the Srinivas Jivan's character, Srinivas said himself to Mahaprabhu,
ये प्रभु
"Hey Prabhu,
मैं कैसे भक्ति लाइन में आया
how came I this bhakti line,
सुनिए
bhakti dhara?"
श्रीवास जी जन करके कहने लगे
Shivaji ji saying very humbly,
मैं ब्राह्मण कुल में जन्म लिया
"I was born in a Brahman family,
तो किंतु कभी ब्राह्मण धर्म पालन नहीं
but I never followed the Brahman dharma.
अनेक प्रकार के दुष्कर्म किया
I did so many bad activities.
16 साल से
So by doing all this bad activities, I passed 16 years. 16.
16 साल तो एक ही
So one day,
मेरे सपना में
I got a dream of Brahman,
वो ब्राह्मण आकर के
and
मेरे
that
सामने
Brahman
बोले,
told me in the dream, Srinivas,
तुम जानते हो
you know,
तुम ये दुष्कर्म कर रहे हो
so whatever the back activities you are doing, so you have to suffer in so many births.
ब्राह्मण कुल में जन्म लेकर के भी
So after getting the birth in the Brahman family, you are not following the Brahman dharma.
तुम दुष्कर्म करते हो
So you are doing bad activities, bad karma.
वो ब्राह्मण बार बार पूरी निर्देश करते हैं इस बात की कहने लगे।
So saying or indicating by the fingers, that Brahman was saying again and again these words. Do you know how many days you have to live in this world?
केवल 365 दिन
Only 365 years, 65 days,
365 days यानी एक साल
only 1 year.
आज से एक साल गिनते रहो
So please count down. Your countdowns begin now.
खत्म होने के साथ
So when the 365 years will be end up, so your life will be end up.
सोचो
So you have to think.
तुम्हें कितने दिन आना है
So how many years you have to live? Only 1 year in this world.
अभी समय है तो सुधार लो
Still there is a little bit time for it to you. Please improve yourself. So saying this, that Brahman was noting, indicating his fingers, index finger to him.
तो ब्राह्मण अंतर
So after that Brahman disappeared.
शिवाजी डरने लगे
Shivaji was fearing so much. So now what to do?
एक साल बस दिन चला
He has to live only 1 year.
शिवाजी
Then Srinivas,
एक दिन अकस्मात घूमते घूमते एक श्लोक को उन्होंने देखा
so
नारद पुराण के श्लोक
coincidentally he saw Shriga. Hare Nam Hare Nami Vaki. So in the Brahma Naradiya Puran, he wrote this slok. That's why Srinivas is saying. So from that day he started Nam Sankirtan. Actually he was feeling that I have got the birth in this material world, so I have to die. But the time is fixed that he has to live only 365 days. That he has 365 एक साल. That he has to die after one year, 365 days. That's why daily. So there was a big Brahman in the Navdeep, that his name is Devanand Pandit. He used to go and Harikatha. He used to go and Bhagavad. He used to go and Bhagavad Path and Harikatha hearing. So he was making marks on the calendars that how many days was passed away. So doing this also works. So 360 days has passed away. Only 5 days left. So after 5 days he has to die. So if somebody is not worshipping Bhagavan Shri Hari Keshav and he is staying he lives so many years, so what is the use of that? And if somebody is worshipping of Bhagavan and if somebody live for 5 days, so it's enough. So when the 5 days left, so he thought that I am going to Devanand Pandit and I will be hearing the Bhagavad Katha. So hearing the Bhagavad Katha, the tears come from out from eyes. And these 5 days, Devanand Pandit told the stories of Prahlad Narsingh Katha. Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Canto. So he told the story of Narsingh Prahlad Katha. So 4 days passed, the last day came, the fifth day. And that day, Devanand Pandit, he was describing the Prahlad Narsingh Dev Katha, that how that how Bhagwan Narsingh Dev saved Prahlad, his father Hiranyakashipu.
प्रहलाद को मारने के लिए कितने प्रयास
His father Hiranyakashipu tried so many efforts for killing Prahlad. He fell down Prahlad from the mountain.
पगला जो हाथी है
So he tried to kill them by the mad elephant by his feet.
सांप के फन पर छोड़ दिया
See, he left him on the hood of snake.
बीच में भी
He thrown him into the ocean of the middle of the ocean.
यहाँ तक भी नहीं
Even
उनकी 20 जहर भी छुड़ा
he gave him the poison too.
यहाँ तक भी
Even
हिरण्यकश्यप के बहन थे
there was a sister of Hiranyakashipu,
अलिका
Holika.
तो कुछ ऐसे तंत्र मंत्र जानते
She knows some tantra mantra.
हैं
She knew some tantra mantra. When she will sit on the fire, so fire cannot burn her.
किंतु उनके साथ जो आग में खड़े हो जाते
But who will sit upon with her, so he will be burned. Hiranyakashipu said, "Oh Holika,
प्रहलाद भी जो है जल्दी आग में जाकर के बैठ जाओ
take Prahlad and sit in the fire,
आग में वो झुलस जाओ
so that he can burn once by the fire."
देखो
So
होलिका ने क्या की
what Holika
प्रहलाद
did?
को लेकर के धक 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 करके
So-
जो आग की लहर चल
So Holika set it on the fire with the Prahlad.
आग की लहर
There was too much fire. Fire was so much heavily burning. So she did there with the Prahlad. And what happened?
भगवान की ऐसी कृपा।
So by the mercy of the Bhagwan,
ओ मैं अभी होलिका
so that Mayavi Holika, she burns by the fire, and Prahlad was
देखो
saved.
बिल्कुल बर्फ जैसी शीतल
He was just like a cold. He was so cold like ice.
और आग में बैठे
He was sitting like that in the fire.
आग भी कैसे हो गया बर्फ जैसी शीतल हो गई
So Aag became like a cold ice.
तो ये समझते कथा जो है
So these all katha, he was Devanand Pandit.
देवानंद
Devanand Pandit was telling this kind of story. And that was the last day.
शिवाजी दिखा
Shinaji saw that today is the last day. Now I will go to town after the sunset.
पश्चिम दिशा लाल लाल हो गया
So the west side was red.
सूर्यदेव ऑलमोस्ट
Suryadev was almost going to set.
प्रहलाद हिरण्य क्या करने शिवाज ठाकुर कहने लगे ये प्रभु
Srinivas Thakur said, "Hey Prabhu,
कहने लगे
I was thinking,
प्रहलाद भक्त है
I'm not a devotee. Prahlad is a devotee.
और कैसे भक्त है
And how is a devotee?
नारद ऋषि के शिष्य
He is a disciple of Narad Rishi. He is not
और
ordinary.
नारद ऋषि ने कैसे शिष्य बनाया
And how Narad Rishi made him disciple when Prahlad Maharaj was in the bomb.
गर्भों में
He was in the bomb of Kayadu.
पैर के गर्भ में
He was born in the Kayadu.
पैर के गर्भों में रहते हुए
He was staying in the bomb of Kadayu. Prahlad
के सारे हरिकथा को श्रवण कर
got so many. So listen Harikatha in the bomb of her mother Kayadu by the Narad Rishi. He was the disciple of Narad Rishi.
तो इसलिए भगवान से रक्षा किया
That's why Bhagwan saved him.
जो सद्गुरु के चरण आश्रय
Who always take the shelter of Sadguru, so Bhagwan has to save them.
इसलिए
That's why
शिवास ठाकुर कहने लगे प्रभु
Srinivas Thakur said, Prabhu,
मैं भक्त प्रहलाद नहीं
I'm not the Bhakta Prahlad, that Bhagwan will save me.
मैं तो मृत्यु अवश्य
So I will be die definitely. So he was sitting like that, thinking. So while seeing the sun got us sets, so seeing that scene, Srinivasji got fainted. Covered. So he fall down then. He got fainted and fall down. After that he died. Everybody carried him into the home. After some time, and Srinivas Thakur got alive. He was saved.
उसमें महाप्रभु कहने लगे श्रीनिवास
Then Mahaprabhu said, Srinivas, tell me,
तुम जब तलकरी से नीचे गिर गए
when you fall down from the balcony,
उसके समय तुम्हें कुछ याद है?
did you remember anything after that?
याद
So he said, yes, Prabhu, I remember.
है? बोले क्या बताओ?
So he said,
बोले
what?
किसी ने मुझे अपने गोद में ले लिया।
Somebody take me on my lap.
मैं तो उनके गोद में मूर्छित हो गया।
I was fainted on the lap of him.
किंतु लोग समझने लगे
But
कि
the
मैं
people thought that I have died. But I was not died.
महाप्रभु कहने लगे बताओ
Mahaprabhu said, tell on whose lap you were. Sat down.
लास्ट ठाकुर कहने लगे
Srinivas Thakur said, Prabhu,
मेरे सपने में जो ब्राह्मण आए थे
so the Brahman who came in my dream, the same Brahman,
आकर के मुझे गोद में ले
so he kept me on his lap.
महाप्रभु कहने लगे ब्राह्मण
Mahaprabhu
कौन
said,
थे?
who was that Brahman?
पता है
You know?
श्रीनिवास
Srinivas said, holding head, Prabhu, you were the same Brahman. You were the same Brahman.
आपने मुझे रक्षा की
You saved me.
जिस प्रकार
This,
निश्चिंदेव प्रहलाद को जो है
just like Narsingh Dev saved Prahlad,
प्रहलाद मान के रक्षा किया हैं? ठीक उसी प्रकार आप ही
in the same way,
भगवान
you are Param Purush, you are Swam Bhagwan. You are Narsingh Dev, you are everything, Prabhu.
और चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Then
कहने
Chaitanya
लगे,
Prabhu said,
प्रहलाद तुमने के प्रहलाद
Srinivas,
तुमने ये कहा कि
whatever you said, that is the true. This is the highest truth.
नहीं तुम्हारे स्वप्न में ब्राह्मण
I came into your dream in the form of Brahman.
ब्राह्मण के रूप में नहीं कर सकते
I was in the Brahman form in your dream, and I saved you. I saved you and kept you on my lap. That's why I have given you the alive, the prana, life. And what is my mean to say? The Katha Prasang I want to say. And Swam Narsingh Dev himself said, Prahlad, so whoever heard the glories of mine, it is mentioned in the Narsingh Purana, the Narsingh Dev said, who will celebrate my Janmotsav, who will hear the glories of mine. I am saying truly, all the obstacles of that person I will remove. So the chakra I have in my hand, Sudarshan Chakra. Have you seen or not? So by that Sudarshan Chakra, all the problems, all the hardship I will remove, all the obstacles I will remove. I am give you promise. Just like I saved my Param Bhakt Prahlad, Narsingh Dev is saying himself. In the same way, so on my birth, on my Avirbhav Divas, who will heard the glories of mine, all the sins, full activity, everything, every kinds of bada I will destroy. Ki Jai, Bolo Narsingh Dev Bhagwan Ki Jai. So that's why today, which katha we should hear? Narsingh Prahlad Katha, Narsingh Dev Katha. That's why Narsingh Dev himself promised. That's why whole day we should hear Narsingh Dev Katha. Today is the Avirbhav Tithi of Narsingh Dev. This is in the Narsingh Purana. This is all described very nicely. You should always hear. You should always chant Narsingh Kavach, Narsingh Strota. Oh, Bhagaviram. Very powerful mantra. Very powerful.
समस्त बाधाएं
chanting this mantra, you will get the siddhi, and all the obstacles of your life will be away, removed. This is nursing kavach and nursing mantra.
क्यों भक्ति राज्य में प्रवेश करने के लिए हमें बाधा भी नहीं
So, because entering in the Bhakti Raja, we have so many obstacles.
भाई ये सत्य है
Is it true? Is it true or not?
निरंतर करना है
We have to perform the bhajan sadhana.
वास्तव में ये बाधाएं आते हैं
But all the time, if we get all the obstacles, why is
शरीर ठीक चीज नहीं रहता
that your body is not fit?
पहले आप भजन करेंगे
So we will do bhajan by the
शरीर के बाद क्या
body. If our body is proper or healthy, then we can perform bhajan and sadhana.
ठीक नहीं है
And if somebody's bodies and mind is not perfect or well properly, so how he can perform bhajan and sadhana?
जरा दैही
Jar mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshana.
पहले हम क्या भजन करें
If you are suffering from all disease and everything, so how you can perform bhajan and sadhana? Is it possible to you? No, it's not possible.
इसलिए भगवत भक्ति के लिए
That's why for Bhagavad Bhakti, what is essential?
शरीर तो है
So your body must be fit.
शरीर ठीक रहे
If your body is fit, then you can perform bhajan properly. Otherwise, you have headache or nose ache, eyes ache, you are suffering or you are getting old age. How you can perform bhajan?
अथवा दूसरे लोग आपके सताने लगे मन में तनाव
And if somebody teasing you, other people is teasing you, so you will get trouble in your mind. How you can perform bhajan?
इसलिए कहते हैं
That's why it is saying,
नृसिंहदेव की स्मरण करें
always remember Narsingadev.
वही कृष्ण ही नृसिंहदेव के रूप में ही प्रकट हुए
The Krishna is manifesting himself in the form of Narsingadev. Vishnu, he is a Vishnu Tattva.
मानते हैं अपना ये नृसिंहदेव और एक भगवान है
Narsingadev is a different Bhagwan, Ramchandra is different Bhagwan,
कृष्ण एक और
and
भगवान
Krishna is different Bhagwan.
भेद करने
We
से
should never discriminate like this. It is offense.
एक ही भगवान
But there is only one Bhagwan.
भक्त की प्रेम विरोधन करने के लिए अनंत रूप में वो आते
So in the same Bhagwan came into the many different
हैं।
forms.
धारण करते हैं।
They got the many different forms.
है। वैकुंठ आदि धाम में
In the Vaikuntha Dhams,
भगवान के जब अनंत रूप है
they have Ananta Lokas and Ananta Forma.
तो आदि अनंत रूप
They have Ananta many forms, different forms.
अद्वैतम अच्युतो अनादि अनंत रूपम
Advaitam Ashito Anadi Ananta Rupam Hrideshu Durlabha.
गोविंदम आदि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविंदम आदि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि अद्वैतम अच्युतो अनादि अनंत रूपम नवयोवनं च विदेश दुर्लभ अदुर्लभ आत्मरस गोविंदम आदि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि वही एक ही परम पुरुष है
There is only one Param Purush.
एक ही का है
There is only one.
सिद्धांत तत्व देवी है तत्व सिद्धांत के अनुसार
According to Tattva and Siddhant, Krishna
नारायण में कोई है
and Narayan, there is no difference.
किंतु रस विचार में
But if we think about Rasa Vichar, so there is a speciality. There is only one Bhagwan, Tattva Siddhanta, accordingly.
के दो
Nam.
क्या है
नाम।
नहीं करते ना क्या नहीं करते एक व्यक्ति मानो डॉक्टर भी है
Yes.
और वकील साहब है।
One person is doctor and a lawyer.
है? ये देखो व्यक्ति एक है
He is the same person.
किंतु वो व्यक्ति जब अस्पताल में जाते
But when
क्लिनिक में
that
जाते,
person goes to the
तो
hospital,
अस्पताल में उसको क्या करते
so everybody called him doctor sahab.
और डॉक्टर के ड्रेस भी पहनता है
And he has the cloth of doctors
स्टेथोस्कोप यहाँ कॉलर गले में
and
लगाते हैं।
stethoscope and many things.
ये
Apron.
लगाते हैं, डॉक्टर की ड्रेस का।
So they white cloths, put on the
वो
white clothes.
ड्रेस बदल गया।
So they have changed the dress.
और वही व्यक्ति
In the same way,
कोर्ट में जाते
when he
हैं,
goes to the court,
हैं? तो उसके सब लोग क्या कहते
so
हैं?
everybody calls him
डॉक्टर साहब, क्या बोलते हैं?
everybody calls him doctor sahab. No,
है, वकील साहब।
vakil sahab, lawyer.
हैं? और तब उस समय लोग उनके ड्रेस कोड कैसे रहता है?
And that time his outfit is black coat.
व्हाइट के बीच क्या करने हैं?
So white. He has to make the white into black and black into white.
हाँ? अरे बात
Is it true or not?
है? उस समय उनको क्या कहा जाता है?
Vakil Sahab. At that time, he is called Vakil Sahab, the lawyer.
डॉक्टर साहब नहीं कहते
Nobody called him lawyer or doctor. He is the same person.
हैं? काम विशेष में कार्य विशेष में
अरे
अरे आदि रखो हम तो ये पूजा करेंगे ना अच्छा
चलो हरी बोल.
हाँ क्या बोला
So what I said, he is the same person.
वकील साहब और डॉक्टर साहब ये बात तो एक ही है
So he is the same person, but somebody is calling him Vakil Sahab and somebody. But only he has changed the dress. So they are doing the different things.
है कि नहीं अस्पताल में जाते हुए
When they goes to the hospital or clinic,
रोगी देखते हैं
they used to watch the patients. They write the prescriptions.
दवाई देखते हैं
They used to give medicine. So this is a different work. When he went to court, goes to courts, so he has a different dress, different form, and the work is different. He used to saw a law book, how he can manage the cases, how he can save his clients.
है कि नहीं
Is it possible? Yes. Is it not? Yes.
व्यक्ति एक है
There is the same person.
कार्य और ड्रेस और
The form and the work is different.
उसी प्रकार भगवान हृदय अद्वैत अच्युत अनंत
In the same way, Bhagwan have many forms.
दो नहीं है एक ही
He is not two. He is just one. Only one Bhagwan.
एक ब्रह्म द्वितीय नस्त
Eko Brahma Dutya Naste. There is only one Brahma.
है
Bhagwan is one.
सबके मालिक
Sabka Malik ek.
है ना सबके मालिक एक दो नहीं दो मालिक नहीं
No, no master. Only one.
हमारे घर में तो दो मालिक है
You have two masters at your home.
एक मालिक है
Husband is one Malik and the second husband is a different Malik.
ये तो देखो सिर्फ जगत में
But in the
सबके
Chit,
मालिक
in the transcendental world, the Chit Jagat, there is only one master, one Bhagwan.
सदा के हम रस्ते निकालते हैं
Tadapi, for the ras,
मालिक के विचार मालिक के नहीं
according to the ras vichar, we always used to say that Radhika Rani, Jai Radha Rani ki Jai. So Radha Rani is the master according to ras vichar. She is higher than the Krishna. So what is my mean to say? There is only Par Brahma Bhagwan. One. Sometimes we get the form of the Matsya, in the form of fish. He used to do some leelas, pastimes. They save the world. Sometimes he got the form of Kurma, Matsya, Kurma, Vara, Narsinga, Rama. We used to get all these forms. That's why it's saying Isha Hari.
यही वही केशव
He is the same Keshav.
केशव धीत
Manar Hari.
मीन शरीर जय जगदीश हरि वही केशव मीन माने मछली के रूप धारण करके
Keshav got the form of fish
वाले के समय
at the time of Pralay Kal. He saved the jivas.
मीन शरीर जय जगदीश केशवधीत कूर्म शरीर
Keshavadita Kurma Sharira Jai Jagadish Hari. Keshavadita Barha Rupa Super Rupa Jai Jagadish Hari.
वही जगदीश्वर
Vahi Keshav Jagadishwar. The same Jagadishwar Keshav.
बहार धारण किए
He got the form of Vara. Vara, understand?
यहाँ मट के पीछे जो बहार
Beside the mat you will see, behind the mat you will see Vara, the shukar, the hog, the pig.
केशवधीत
Keshavadita Baraha Rupa.
हिरणाक्ष के वध किया
He killed the Hiraksha.
केशवधीत
Keshavadrita Baraha Rupa.
केशवधीत
Keshavadrita
नरहरि रूप
Narhari Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare.
अवतार कमला परिणक अद्भुत लिंगम दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनुभृंगम केशवधृत नरहरि रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश और जयदेव बिस्मिल्लाह।
Just Jayadeva Goswami is described.
अद्भुत लिंगम
Hiranyakash.
केशवधीत नरहरि रूप जय जगदीश।
How beautiful, very beautiful. How beautiful bhav is that.
देखो मधुमक्खी जो है,
When the bee, honeybee,
मधुमक्खी
honeybee or Brahmar,
भ्रमण क्या करता है?
what Brahmar do?
फूलों को झड़ जाता है, तो फूलों के मधु आस्वादन करके फिर उसको क्या करता है? वो फूलों के जो पंखुड़ी पे
He used to sit on the flower and
फूलों के पंखुड़ी काटते हैं,
he used to cut the flowers buds
नीचे और
leaves
नीचे जाने के लिए
for going deeper and deeper. He used to cut that.
देखो भगवान
And the Bhagwan,
भगवान के नखर कमल कैसे?
so how the Nakamal of Bhagwan, the agra side of nails,
उसको क्या करें?
the
वो नखर कमल के द्वारा रिंगों पे तारीफ कर रहे हैं।
the forward side
देखो ना, रिंगों
of the
को-
nails.
बोले अपने परम भक्त हिरण्यकशिपु।
So why increasing his nail for the saving his Bhakta Prahlad?
देखो, व्यतिरिक्त अलंकार हो गया। हैं? व्यतिरिक्त अलंकार का है उल्टा। हैं? समझ में आया कुछ? ये भगवान नृसिंहदेव
The Bhagwan Narsinga Dev, he by the nails
भगवान ने क्या की?
what Bhagwan did,
ये
he
अपने सुंदर उंगली रात उंगली के ऊपर क्या है?
Nakun. So there is a beautiful hand he has
पर्वत के प्रदेश में क्या रहता है? सिंह होता है।
Shringa,
है? और उसके ऊपर कौन विराजमान है?
who is staying on the
है?
Shringa के ऊपर.
हाँ। नृसिंहदेव ये क्या बोले? हिरण्यकशिपु।
अच्छा, Hiranyakashipu Brahman. Hiranyakashipu is staying. So Hiranyakashipu is comparing with the bumblebee, honeybee.
भ्रमण इस जगत में भ्रमण क्या करता है? हैं? थोड़ा समझने का प्रयास कर समझ पाए। इस जगत में भ्रमण क्या करता है?
Bumblebee is sitting on the flowers and he is sucking the juice.
रस देकर से
He is taking the juice of that fruit, flowers, and he is going deeper and deeper. So what is happening here?
भगवान नृसिंहदेव की ऐसी सुंदर जो
So here is opposite happening, that Bhagwan have a beautiful hand,
और वही नखर कमल के द्वारा
and the same for the nails or Nakakamal. He is
हिरण्यकशिपु पे वो
so he is killing that bumblebee like Hiranyakashipu. Bolo Vrindavan Lal ki.
इसी का इसके व्यतिरिक्त अलंकार का
This is called the Vyatirit Alankar.
कभी कमल इस जगत में कमल जो है पुष्प कभी
In this word, lotus
भ्रमर के जो है वो काट नहीं सकते।
cannot cut the bumblebee. Brahma only cut Brahma. The bumblebee only can cut bumblebee. But
तभी तो हिरण्यकशिपु हिरण्यकशिपु के क्या करे उन्होंने? गणित कर हिरण्यकशिपु की साथ किसके उदाहरण दिया?
bumblebee. हाँ वो Brahmar.
भ्रमर के साथ। हाँ?
Hiranyakashipu is comparing here the bumblebee and the lotus cut him. You got it? I will explain. You have to learn. Look, Shringam, Lingam, कि
दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनु भिन्न।
दलित हिरण्यकशिपु का
हिरण्यकशिपु के शरीर कैसे है?
how is the
लिंग
body
के भांति।
how is the body of Hiranyakashipu? Hiranya means bhamar.
हैं? अरे भृंग माने मधुमक्खी।
Bhrang is like वही तो बोला था ना, भंवर ही तो बोला था ये।
हाँ। हिरण्यकशिपु की तुलना दे रहे कैसे?
Hiranyakashipu is comparing like Brahmar or like Madhumakhi.
जैसे मधुमक्खी
Just like
कमल की सुगंध प्राप्त करती है।
when the honeybee always get the fragrance and she always gets the juice of the fruit of the flowers, in the same way
दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनु भिन्न। हैं? हिरण्यकशिपु की
हिरण्यकशिपु कमल नहीं भंवर
भ्रमर पे जो है
भ्रमर।
और भगवान की नकल कैसे है?
and how the Bhagwan Kamal is like lotus,
मानो
कमल की बात है, just like a lotus.
और लोग भ्रमर की क्या करते हैं?
And how he is doing?
सारी
He is cutting, he is teasing to that Brahmar.
उल्टा होता है, इस जगह तो होता है।
It is not possible in this world.
भ्रमर
In this
कौन
world,
करता है?
that Brahmar always cut the lotus, but here it is happening.
अब देखो
Hmm.
क्योंकि कमल की जो है पंखुड़ियां जो है
Because the buds of the lotus very soft,
वे सब होता है।
very soft.
इसलिए
In the same way, this
वो
why
भ्रमर क्या करता है?
that Brahma, that
कमल की जो है वो पंखुड़ी को काट काट
he always used to cut the buds of the
तो यहाँ पर उपमा दे
lotus, but now here is the reflection is saying the opposite. Yes,
भगवान की
opposite comparison.
भगवान के हाथ कैसे
How Bhagwan handles like lotus,
ये नाखून मानस श्रृंग है।
and upon that the nails is like shringa. श्रृंग को क्या बोलते हैं? श्रृंग
पहाड़ के ऊपर की चोटी की जो सबसे सूक्ष्म स्थान से श्रृंग है, हिमालय की श्रृंग करना है, एवरेस्ट श्रृंग करना है।
एवरेज
श्रृंग श्रृंग करना है, समझ नहीं ना? सर्वोच्च स्थान जो है, पर्वत के सर्वोच्च सूक्ष्म स्थान को श्रृंग करना है।
ओके
जैसे माउंट एवरेस्ट,
यस
माउंट एवरेस्ट की चोटी तो पर्वत के चोटी
so the
ये कहते हैं माउंट
topmost thing of the Mount Everest, that is called Shringa.
हिमालय के सर्वोच्च शिखर
No, not topmost mount,
जो स्थान
on the
है,
top mount,
माउंट एवरेस्ट है,
the on the top what is happening, that is like a
but tip of the हिमालय,
tip of the Himalaya, that is Shringa.
उसी प्रकार भगवान की
It's really hard to understand, but you have to understand.
आपके हाथ कैसे है मानो
Your hand is like just like beautiful lotus,
कमल के भांति।
beautiful
और
lotus
ये
flower, and
कमल के ऊपर ये नाखून क्या है?
after that lotus flower your nails is like a shringa,
और उस श्रृंग के ऊपर कौन
And that-
विराजमान है?
Brahmar.
भ्रमर है? वो भ्रमर कौन है?
And who's that Brahmar? Who is that bumblebee or humblebee? Hiranyakashipu.
ये तो वस्तु के तुलना में किसके साथ?
Hiranyakashipu is comparing like a Brahmar, like bumblebee.
और वो
Is
भ्रमर
comparing
क्या
bumblebee,
है?
and what is that bumblebee is doing?
पर कमल की
He is
श्रृंग देश के और श्रृंग देश में जो
मधु है, so that bumblebee is tasting the juice of that flower, lotus flower. So what Bhagwan is doing? Bhagwan.
वो भ्रमर के क्या है?
So Bhagwan is teasing that. Bhagwan is teasing and killing that Brahmar like Hiranyakashipu. Why his nails? That's why it is called opposite Alanka.
वही नंबर अद्भुत श्रृंग दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनु भिन्न।
Bring him.
हिरण्यकशिपु के भगवान विष्णु ने कैसे वध किया?
Nails के द्वारा.
अपने
नाखून.
हस्त कमल के जो नाखून है,
So how Hiranyakashipu was killed by the Narsimhadev Bhagwan by the nails of his hands. They have tore the chest of the Narsimhadev. Hiranyakashipu.
पहले तो उनके साथ युद्ध किया।
First he fight with him.
भगवान विष्णु ने
Bhagwan Narsimhadev.
हिरण्यकशिपु के साथ युद्ध
He
किया।
fight with Hiranyakashipu, and then many kinds of astra like Gada and many things.
कभी हार जाते हैं भगवान।
Sometimes he used to defeat by
भगवान के
Narsimhadev.
हाथ से गदा भी
Sometimes he fall down the Gada from his hand.
है। वीर रस था।
He was tasting the Veeras.
समझ गए?
Have you got it?
हिरण्यकशिपु प्रसन्न होता है।
And Hiranyakashipu was feeling very happy. I have defeated the lion.
जिस प्रकार
Just like
बिल्ली
a cat,
चूहा को पकड़ करके
when she
चूहा के साथ
catches the rat
खेलते रहा।
and she plays with the rats,
उसी प्रकार
in the same way,
भगवान नृसिंहदेव
Bhagwan Narsingh Dev,
वीर रस आस्वादन करने के लिए
he was
हिरण्यकशिपु के
tasting the
साथ
Veeras,
खेलते
so he
रहा।
was playing with him like that.
आनंद करते रहे।
He was getting pleasure.
कभी नृसिंहदेव के हाथ से गदा भी
Sometimes he fall down. Sometimes the gada fall down from his hand.
है, युद्ध है।
He was fighting.
अंत में नृसिंह है, भगवान ने के समस्त अस्त्र
At last, Bhagavan did. He thrown all the Astra and
हिरण्यकशिपु के क्या की
he caught up Hiranyakashipu and he caught Hiranyakashipu. After that, he caught him on he kept him on the lap of his, on the thighs.
है, देखा है। तथा तब हिरण्यकशिपु कहने लगे तुम मुझे
Then
मार नहीं सकते।
Hiranyakashipu said that you cannot kill me.
है? तुम तो भगवान नहीं हो।
You are not the Bhagwan.
है? तुम एक साधारण क्या है? शेर हो।
You are just an ordinary lion.
भगवान थोड़ी हो।
You are not Bhagwan.
है? भगवान को उस पर विश्वास नहीं किया।
So he didn't trust him that he is Bhagwan.
हिरण्यकशिपु अवतार में
In the incarnation of Hiranyakashipu, Nrsimhadev, Hiranyakashipu,
नृसिंहदेव के भगवान नहीं समझे।
he didn't
ये कोई साधारण
he didn't
है।
thought that he is Bhagwan. He is just like a wild lion.
बस भगवान
He is very powerful lion.
है? है? इसलिए उसको ले- बोले तुम मुझे मार नहीं सकते।
That's why he said that you cannot kill me. If you are Vishnu,
तुम्हारे पास वर है,
but still I have the benediction
मुझे मार नहीं सकते।
that Vishnu cannot kill me.
है? हाँ? और नृसिंहदेव कहने लगे,
And
"बताओ,
Narsingh Sahib
ब्रह्मा जी ने
said,
तुमको कौन सा वर
what the
दिया?"
benediction Brahma gave to you.
हैं? हिरण्यकशिपु कहने लगे, "मुझे
Hiranyakashipu said,
ये वर है।
he has given me this word. I won't die in the daytime, not right.
हिरण्यकशिपु का बाण नृसिंहदेव कहने लगे,
John Narsingh said,
"हे मूर्ख!"
hey Moork,
हैं? देख,
look,
अब दिन भी नहीं है,
it's
रात
not
भी
day
नहीं
or
है।
not right.
संदिग्ध संतान।
This is the Sandhya time. This is the evening time,
दिन और रात्रि मिलन
when the meeting time of day and night. This is called the Goduli Vela.
है?
Goduli Vela. Goduli Vela.
है? सूर्य भी अस्त भी हो गया
And sun was set, but still there is no night.
है।
Still there is little bit shine. There is.
और क्या बोल दिया?
And what next word benediction gave to you?
मैं दिन में ना मरूं, रात में नहीं।
Neither in the day nor in the nights. So it is not day or night. And the
मैं
second,
स्वर्ग में नहीं मरूं, आकाश में नहीं, जल में नहीं।
nor I die in the sky nor on the earth.
मैं मरना ही तो आकाश में मरूं। है?
Neither in the sky nor on the earth.
सब-
He got this benediction too. Like, Moork,
तुम अभी कहाँ बैठे हो?
where are you sitting now? You are sitting on my thigh,
मैं चलते हैं स्वर्ग में।
which is not on the sky, not on the earth.
हाँ? और क्या बोले? बोले
नहीं।
कोई साल में नहीं, महीने में नहीं, बस
So not in the 365 days of the year.
है क्या?
This Purushottam Mass. So this is the Purushottam Mass. This is called the extra Mass, Adhik Mass.
हाँ।
This is the extra month, Adhik Mass. And what more? One diction. Not only neither only Ashta Shastra, weapons.
शास्त्र से भी नहीं मार सकते, मंत्र से भी नहीं मार सकते।
Not like short, any chakku, the knife, sword, anything cannot kill me.
मूर्ख,
Hey Moork,
मेरे नाखूनी इतना है।
my nails enough for killing you. He was so very very angry that time. So then I will tear your stomach.
बड़े कोई पशु, कोई मानव
So he said that no one, animal nor any neither any animal nor any man can kill me. That I am, who am I? Nor I am man, nor am a man, nor I am animal. Neither I am man nor I am animal. So I am Narsinga. At last,
भगवान विष्णुदेव ने क्या की
what Narsinga Deva did?
पेड़ जो है ना पेट के नाखून के दर्द से है
He tore the fat, he tore the stomach of that Hiranyakashipu by the nails.
हमको लेकर के बिल्कुल ऐसे उल्टा करके देखो ये विष्णुदेव कहाँ विराजमान है प्रकट किया गई
Hiranyakashipu.
विष्णुदेव कहाँ विराजमान है विष्णुदेव भी एक कर अपने हाथ कमर हाथ हस्तलिपि की कमर और हस्तलिपि के अंगुली और उसके बाद नाखून जो है बहुत तीक्ष्ण
So by the nails of his hand, Bhagwan Narsingha Dev killed Brahmar, Hiranyakashipu. So that's why it's saying Tamakala Kamal. So by the nails of Bhagwan Narsingha Dev, so there is a too much different by our drishti and Uttam Bhagavad drishti. So we saw that the power, that Bhagwan nails were so powerful. So no, it's not like that. It is very soft, like a lotus. Are you getting my point? We are thinking that the nails of the Bhagwan should be very hard and sharp. It's not like that. It's very fragmentive, very soft, just like a buds of the lotus. So by this lotus buds, what Bhagwan is doing? He is killing that Brahma, Hiranyakashipu. He is killing that Brahma, the bumblebee, like bumblebee in the form of Hiranyakashipu. Brahma. So Hiranyakashipu's body is like a bumblebee. What bumblebee wants? Bumblebee wants to taste that juice of that flower, that lotus flower. But what happened? It happens in this world. Again, bumblebee is coming and taking the taste of that juice of that flower. This is the vichar. You will read this, you will get the pleasure, you will be happy. So we are understanding oppositely, but it's not like that. That Bhagwan got the very angry form and he killed by the nails. But what our Jayadev Goswami Pad is saying. So what is the fortunate of Hiranyakashipu? How fortunate that Bhagwan. So by the lotus hand, and on that lotus hand he has just like a shringa, topmost, he has the nails there, and Hiranyakashipu is staying on that. The topmost shikhar of Himalaya, the Mount Everest, whenever everybody goes there, so he got the Guinness book. His name was brought in the Guinness book. And he is very rememberable. We used to remind that person who used to go to the Everest mountain. In the same way, our Jayadev Goswami Pad is saying in the Geet Govind, Aho, how fortunate the Hiranyakashipu, that he was staying on the lotus flower of their nails, and then he is staying there. And our views, In the Uttam Bhagavad Vichar is very, very different. Very, very different. There are two kinds of vichara. That's in the general view we see that Nrsimhadev is so much hard. He is very angry. Namamiham. He's just like a Kal. He is just like a Kal. Death. He's just like a death Kal. Very, very Ugram. Very, very angry. Ugram Viram Vishnu. Cholantam Sarvadamukam. Not only one, there are many kinds of Jwalamukhi. He was just like a Jwalamukhi. He was opening his mouth like just like it was seems like that there are many kinds of fire coming out. Agni was take. Have you seen the Jwalamukhi? No, no. I have seen. कहाँ पर? कौन सी द्वीप? कहाँ पे? इटली में? अच्छा. Whenever you go to Italy, so on the top there is a tapu in between the sea. So in Italy, I have seen this. Comes out. Yes. Volcano. Well, the lava is coming out that volcano. For like many years old, even today, in the between you will see like that volcano. So there's like the fires coming out from that volcano. And then the sound comes out like gong, 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 gong. I used to, the people used to live very 50 miles away, and the sounds comes like ho ho ho, and there is a fire. And you can see it, lal. At the daytime, on the morning, just like you will see like ashes in the Hawaii. I have been in Hawaii 2-3 times. What I mean to say that the Bhagwan Nrsimhadev, when he appeared from the Khamba pillar, when he came out from the pillar, so he was so much angry that he will destroy all the Brahmans. He was Ugram Veera, Mahavishnu. He was so much angry. He was just like a volcano. That's Ugram Veeram. That's why in the month is coming Ugram Veeram Mahavishnu. That the Nrsimhadev, the very, very angry Nrsimhadev, he got the Rudra form that time. So at that time you can leave the Nrsimhadev. When the Nrsimhadev appears, so at the time if you compare the Tandava Upanishad, Nrsimha Tapani Upanishad, it is very nicely described by the giving Alankar. If you read that, you will be happy. Nrsimha Tapani Upanishad. When Nrsimhadev appeared, so he was called Ugram Veera Mahavishnu. Mrityu Mrityu Namamiham. Nrsimhadev, I offer my Dandavat Pranam to you. Oh, please be quiet. Please keep quiet your angerness. All the Devtas have ran away. all the devotees who are doing stuti and they ran away. when Nrsimhadev killed the Hiranyakashipu, so he got the very anger form that time, just like a lion. When he killed the elephants, after that he becomes so much angry, very, very angry. So he got this kinds of form. In the same way, when after the killing Hiranyakashipu, Nursing Dev, the angerness of Nursing Dev was increasing so much. He was so much angry that time, and so seeing that the Devtas were doing Savanastati, and how we can keep quiet the Nursing Dev, and Nursing Dev by the red eyes, he was looking everybody. He was looking everybody, and what he saw. That Brahmaji is standing, the four mouths Brahma was standing for him, so he said, "Oh Brahma." Brahma was here and ran away. That you have given this kind of punishment to the Brahmins. Brahma folded his hand. Oh, Brahmaji was saying like, no. Even Shivji, he got the Rudra form. When Shivji saw the anger from that he is scolding Brahma, that what he will do, maybe he can slap on me. And Shivji ran away from there. He ran away. It is mentioned in the Nursing Tapni Upanishad that all the Devtas ran away. When Nursing Dev, he scolded the Brahmaji. Then Shiv and other Devtas thought he was trembling that time. Maybe he can scold us. So all ran away. So Devta was standing so far from Nursing Dev and said to Lakshmi Devi, "Hey, Lakshmi Devi, you are the wife of him. You go, you go. Only a wife can, make quiet or calm the husband. No one can control. No one can No one can control to husband. It is seeing in the material world only one lady." A wife, all attractive activities, she can control the husband. So this is the quality of a lady, that she can control. So by the sweet voice, by the sweet words, but the wife can attract the husband and control him. So this is the quality of a wife. By the sweet voice, words, and affection. Anchal, you know. Pallu बोलते हैं ना. Anchal. So by the Sneharupi affection Anchal, she controls. आ गए हो? Is it true? If we saw in this word, if we talk about in these words, if you cannot understand this word, then how you cannot understand Paraman? That's why in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Shukdev Goswami told many material things to the Parikshit Maharaj, many stories. Even Jar Jagat in the skies Katha, Bhagol, Bhugol, history, geographical Katha. Every Katha is told him. Then what is the need to hearing this kinds of story? There are many kinds of Natha, and what is the activity of that? So he told everything to Parikshit Maharaj. If you know about that, what to happen? What is the need to know? So if you learn that Hayakshar, L-O-V, love, Prem, then why? But you have seen in the Bhagavatam, Shukdev Goswami Path, Parikshit Maharaj was going to die within 7 days, so he told him every kinds of information, every kinds of katha, very big, many king stories, present, past, and futures. He told many kinds of story of the kings, and who will the king in the future, who was the king in the past, who is the king in the present. So, because Parikshit Maharaj was thinking that I will not stay here, so why I am listening all these kathas? Yeah? present, past, or future, every kinds of stories, every kinds of katha from Jnana Vairagya he told to Parikshit. Why? Why? What was the need of that? That's why I was saying. So I mean to say, just like a sati lady, wife, why there all the sadgun, why all the qualities, sadgun, why the good qualities, she can control. Whatever kind of husband is, she can control. Angry, poor, even pati is nirdhani, poor. If the husband is angry, and maybe he is not good character, still the sati nari cannot give up his husband. So by the power of his satitva, she victory over the husband. So Bhagavan Krishna and these kinds of stories to gopis, that if his husband is old, foolish and rude vashi, who is abusing to the wife, he used to abuse to the wife. Everybody knows in the Braj. They used to scold and abuse their wives in the Brajvasi. They used to abuse. Do your husband give abuse to you? No one will tell you today. Sometimes your husband give you abuse. So this kinds of rude vashi, the abuser, foolish, poor. Jad means who is not able to talk. Less intelligent people. Still Bhagavan is saying that Sati Sati Nari can never give up with their husband. And what the wife do? Why all the good virtues, all the good qualities? She served the husband because husband's service is the param dharma. Serving of husbands is a param kartavya, highest duty. The wife who doesn't worship or serve their husband, neither she will get the happiness in this world nor in the other planet. It is saying in the Bhagavatam. I'm not taking any side. It is mentioned in the Bhagavatam. That's what I am telling you. So however kind of what the husband is, but it is the duty of the wife that she has to serve husband anyhow, anyway. And look, when Lakshmi Devi, all the devtas was saying to Lakshmi, oh Lakshmi, you are the very Sati Nari. No one wife like you cannot be in the future or past. So you go and please keep the calm, control your husband. He is very angry this time. Control him. Best do and smile a little bit. It is mentioned in the scriptures. So by this little smile of the wife, the husband will be controlled. All the angerness will be go out. It is mentioned in the Shastras, many kinds of shlokas are there. If I speak too and then I will speak too much. If you hear the Narsinghatha Upanishad, then you will. I didn't read too much. There are many pages there, and it is described the same thing. The Devta said, hey Lakshmi Devi, just by the little bit of smile of yours, you can control your husband. You go and control him. Devta has given so many examples. But at last what happened? The Lakshmi Devi said, hey Devta, I won't go today. I won't go today. I will not go today. All the desires will be destroyed. If I go, maybe he slapped me. Because today is Narsingh Chaturdashi. he got so many angry form. Oh, he is very Ugraveer Maharaj. Lakshmi Devi said, no भैया ना भैया ना no 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 I want ना 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 भैया ना मैं ना जाऊंगी I want.
और की बात है किंतु आगे विशेष समय लोग लोग मैं नहीं
So he said, this is a special time. No, 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 I won't go today. Other time I can go, but today, no, I won't go. When Lakshmi Devi denied to go, then everybody said, oh, Bhaiya Prahlad, Bhaiya, you go. Please go to near Bhagwan. Then Prahlad Maharaj, when he goes to before Nrsimhadev, and that Nrsimhadev, his heart was melted. At that time, the heart of Nrsimhadev was melted, and he was so much angry that time. But still, even Devta and Nakshi, nobody came to him. But when he saw the heart was melted of Nrsimhadev, and the tears was coming out from the eyes of Nrsimhadev, and what he did, and as well as at the time the Nrsimhadev caught up the Prahlad on his lap, and just like affectionate mother, she always carries her child on her lap. And she used to love when she take the child on his lap. In the same way, Nrsimhadev take the Prahlad on his lap. By his both hands he carry, by this both lotus hand he carried Prahlad and sit on the lap, make him sit on the lap. And it is mentioned in the Nrsimha Tapneshwar very nicely that you are watching a picture where when you read that, you will imagine like that I am watching a movie. When Nrsimhadev, the tears is coming out from the Nrsimhadev. So he wanted to visit a Mukh Kamal of his devotees, the face, the lotus face of that devotees, because my Bhakt is Prahlad. He is very quiet, calm. When Nrsimhadev appeared, so he don't have any kinds of fear in their heart. Prahlad doesn't have any kinds of fear. When Nrsimhadev killed Hiranyakashipu, still at that time Prahlad don't have any kinds of vikar in their heart. Just like a lotus flower when it is shining, in the same way, Prahlad, the face of Prahlad was very, very peace, calm. He was standing there. There was no astonish, nothing else, no fear and nothing. Every Devtas was fearing that time, but Prahlad nothing. He was very calm. So Nrsimhadev saying in this way, and my Bhakta Prahlad is standing very fearless. It is a shlok in the Bhagavatam. Bhagwan is saying, my devotees, what they do, they always fearless, and he wander here and there. They always fearless. They don't have any kinds of fear in their heart. In the same way, Prahlad Maharaj, he was very keep quiet, and we are like a fearless and like a lotus flower. He was standing there, and what Nrsimhadev did, he take him on his lap. And how he make him sit on the lap. By the left hand was on the stomach of the Prahlad, just like Mata Pita used to do, and the right hand on the back of the Prahlad, and on the head of the Prahlad. When the Mata Pita, they used to do a very affection and love to their child. So in the same way, Nrsimhadev was presenting the Bhakta Vatsalya Bhav before Prahlad.
सिम्टम क्या है?
So what is the symptoms of Vatsalya Bhav?
है? उनकी मस्तक सुंग माने ध्यान देना।
The kiss of the get the frame, kiss of the forehead, no, kiss of the
चुम्बन
head.
आदि करना।
This is the symptoms of Vatsalya. Kiss of the head,
चुम्बन करना।
kiss of the face.
इसको और बेटा को जानते हैं।
Those who have the child, those who have the baby, they knows
उस
well.
प्रकार नृसिंहदेव प्रहलाद
In the
महाराज
same way, Nrsimhadev, he seated Prahlad on his lap. After that, he was kissing a hand. He is kissing the head of and the face of Prahlad. It is describing there. This is the symptoms of the Vatsalya Bhava. This is the
अपने भक्त के प्रति
so he has so much Vatsalya Bhava towards his devotee.
अभक्त के ऊपर जो लोग धारण करते हैं
For the abhakta, non-devotees, he take the angry form, but for the bhakta, he always take the Vatsalya Bhava. That's why he is called Bhakta Vatsal Bhagwan Nrsimhadev.
पीठ पर थपथपाने लगे।
And he was putting his hand on the back, and the tear was coming out from the eyes, and he was saying, "Hey Prahlad, I got so late in coming.
तुम्हारे पिता
Your father, he teases you so much, he suffered you so much.
किंतु तथापि तुमने
But still, you never said, Hey Bhagwan, please save me."
नहीं प्रहलाद महाराज
Prahlad Maharaj never said like this.
केवल प्रहलाद महाराज स्मरण कर रहे थे।
All this was remembering Bhagwan.
यदि कहते स्मरणे प्रहलाद
Smarani Prahlad.
प्रहलाद महाराज उनके स्मरण कर रहे थे।
Prahlad Maharaj was remembering Bhagwan that time.
इसलिए नृसिंहदेव कहने लगे प्रहलाद
Nrsimhadev said, Prahlad,
तुम्हारे पिता ने तुमको बहुत कष्ट कर दिया।
your father suffered you so much, and you beard everything for me.
आज ऐसे कहने लगे प्रहलाद ने हाथ जोड़ कर लिए प्रभु
And he was saying like this. Prahlad folded his hands saying, Hey Prabhu, please don't say like this.
नृसिंहदेव कहने लगे प्रहलाद
Nrsimhadev said, Prahlad,
तुम्हारी भक्ति में तुम्हारी सेवा में संतुष्ट हूं।
I am satisfied with your devotion. Please ask me any benediction, whatever the benediction you want. You please ask me. I am capable to give any kinds of benediction to you.
प्रहलाद
Prahlad
महाराज
Maharaj said,
बोले प्रभु
Hey Prabhu,
मैं बनिया नहीं हूँ।
I am not the businessman.
है? बनिया है?
I am not
मैं बिजनेसमैन नहीं हूँ कि आपके भजन की आप
that I perform your bhajan and sadhana and that I can ask for some benediction for you. No, I am not like that.
भगवान नृसिंहदेव कहने लगे
Maharaj
प्रहलाद
said, No, Prahlad, please ask.
मैं देना चाहता
I want to give you.
हूँ। है? तुम ग्रहण करो
You accept.
मेरे ही प्रति देखो
For my love and affection. I know that Bhakt doesn't need
जो
anything.
मेरा भक्त होता है भक्त
Who is my devotee? He doesn't need anything, but still ask me for
जैसे
anything.
छोटा बच्चे की क्या
Just like a baby,
तथापि
does he need anything? He
उनके
doesn't.
अनेक प्रकार की
But
है,
still,
गिफ्ट
parents give him many kinds of presents, gifts
प्रतीक है।
for their love and affection. This is the Vatsalya Bhav. In the same way, Nrsimhadev asked Prahlad,
मैं जानता हूँ
I know you don't need anything, but still, for my love and affection, you get something. You want, you take
नहीं
something.
तो मेरा शांति नहीं होगा।
Otherwise, I won't get peace. I won't get peace.
है?
Bhagavan is saying himself,
I will not get peaceful।
I will not get the peace of
तुम
mind.
वर मांगो।
Ask for any benediction.
तो प्रहलाद महाराज ने क्या कहा?
Then Prahlad Maharaj
हे
said,
प्रभु
Hey Prabhu,
ये वर देना नहीं वर दीजिए।
if you want to give me any benediction, please give me the benediction the same that my father,
आप और आपके भक्त को बहुत कष्ट है।
he suffered you and your devotees too much.
और दुष्ट
He was a very dush person.
उद्धार कर।
Please
है?
uddhar him.
नृसिंहदेव ने क्या कहा?
But
प्रहलाद
nothing they said, Hey
हमारे
Prahlad,
लिए क्या हुआ?
Hare, what are you want nothing. You didn't ask anything. You asked me and then it was nothing.
है? भगवान नृसिंहदेव कहने
Bhagavan is
लगे,
saying,
अरे एक कनिष्ठ अधिकारी भक्त होता है।
if there is a Kanishta Adhikari who is following the Sadachar and chanting the holy name, the Kanishta Adhikari,
आज उनके साथ प्रिय अपने आप उद्धार हुए।
there are 7 PDs, the 7 dynasty of that person will get the Sadgati, and who take the shelter of Bhagwan and Guru after taking the shelter of Guru, So their 14 dynasty will get the Sadgati, and the Uttam Bhagavad, who is performing Bhajan and Sagat, they have realizing the Swarup Gyan. They are serving their Ishtadev in that way. They are Uttam Bhagavad. So their 21 dynasty will go get the Sadgati. 21. And you are the Uttam Bhagavad. So your father is getting Sadgati almost already. You ask anything else? What Prahlad Maharaj said? There was many shlokas there in Narsingha Upanishad. Very nice shlokas there. In this world, for their mukti and for their udhar, they used to perform bhajan sadhan. They are selfish. For who are performing bhajan for their self, for their welfareness, who is performing bhajan sadhan. They are selfish, but I am not like that. Whatever that you don't want to give, that you want to give me any benediction. If you want to give any benediction, please give me the benediction. Then please give, all the jivas of this world free from the narak, and I can go from there. I can go there. So wherever I be, I always glorify your katha and kirtan. So Narasimhadev said, "Hey Prahlad, yeah, I am giving you this kind of benediction," and especially said, he said to Prahlad, "Hey Prahlad, listen. On my Avirvav Divas, who will hear, today is the Avirvav Divas of Narasimhadev. On the Avirvav Day, Tithi, who will hear the glorify of Narasimhadev Bhagavan, he will remember and doing the Kirtan, Archan, Vandan, everything, whatever he do." And Narasimhadev said, "Prahlad, I promise you that there will be no hardship or problems will come. They will not suffer in his life. And all the hardships, problems will be, he will be free from all kinds of problems. And at least he will get to me. He will come to me." That's why, what should we do on the Avirvav Divas for Narasimhadev? We should always hear the Narsingha Katha. This is the Shravana Mahatma, importance of Shravan, importance of hearing. What is the Phalashutri? What is the fruit of Shravana, hearing? Then why we should hear the Katha? What is the fruit? That if you hear the Katha of Narasimhadev, all the obstacles or problems you will be free from that. If your business is not running, you hear the glories of Narasimhadev, all the businesses will be run. If you are not studying well, so hear the hearing, do the Narasimha Stuti, you study well. Bhakta Vatsalya. This is the quality of Narasimhadev. He is Bhakta Vatsalya, just like that Bhagavan Ramchandra has Praja Vatsalya. He has gave up everything, even her wife too, gave up for the sake of the disciple, for the subjects. He was Praja Vatsal. This was the reason for sending the wife to the forest. This was the reason behind that he was Praja Vatsal. Narasimhadev Bhakta Vatsal. He is ready to do anything for his devotee, his Bhakta. That's why Narasimhadev is Bhakta Vatsal. Bhakta Vatsal Bhagwan Narasimhadev ki jai. Whole day you should hear the Hari Katha of Narasimhadev Katha.
Antar Nisingha, Bahir Nisingha, Nisingha Mami, Saranam Prapati. To Nisingha, Parato Nisingha, Antar Nisingha, Bahir Nisingha, Nisingha Mami, Saranam Prapati. Tapakara Kamala Varinaka, Adbhuta Sringam. दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनुलिंगम केशवधृत नरहरि रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे केशवधृत नरहरि रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे प्रलय प्रधि जले धितवान वेदम बीतवैत्र चरित्रमखेदम केशवधृत मीन शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे क्षितिर्य विपुलतले तिष्ठति तव पृष्ठे धरणिधरण किन चक्र गरिष्ठे केशवधृत कूर्म शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे भगवती दर्शन करे धरणी तव लग्ना शशिनी कलंक काले वर्णमग्ना केशवधृत सुंदर रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे तव कर कमल करे नख अद्भुत श्रृंगम दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनुलिंगम केशवधृत नरहरि रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे छलयते ब्रह्मणे बलि अद्भुत वाम पदनख नीरजनित तव जन पावन केशवधृत वामन रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे क्षत्रिय रुधिरमणे जगत अपगत पापम श्रमयसि पयसि श्रमित भवतापम केशवधृत भृगुपति रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे भीतरसि छलने कपति कमनीय दशमुख मौलि बलि रमणीय केशवधृत राम शरीर केशवधृत प्राण शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे कहति बपु सविशदे वसनं जलदावम् हलयति भीतिमिलित जमुनावम् केशवधृत हलधर रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे निन्दति जगविवेना सत्तिदातम् सदय हृदय दर्शित वसुनाथम् केशवधृत भूत शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे केशवधृत कल्कि शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे श्री जय देव करे मुदितं उदारम् श्रेणु सुखदं सुखदं भवसागर केशवधृता दशविध रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश जय नृसिंह जय जय प्रहलाद जय नृसिंह जय जय प्रहलाद कृष्ण होइते चतुर्मुख हरि कृष्ण सेवन ब्रह्मा होइते नारदे नारद होइते व्यास मद कहन व्यास दास पूर्णा व्रत सर्वाना भगवती हरि माधव सीता बलि अंगीकार हरि अक्षर सजाय नाम परिचय तार दसे ज्ञान सिंधु हरे ताहा होइते दयानिधि तार दास राजेंद्र हो ताहा होइते ताहार किंकर जय धर्मना